Hello, barattoonni keenya kan bakka hunda jirtan akkam bultanii, akkam ooltanii, akkam waaritanii, akkam jirtu. Our students all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope all of you are very fine. በዓለም ላይ ያላችሁ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ተማሪዎቻችን እንዴት አደራችሁ? እንዴት ዋላችሁ? እንዴት አመሻችሁ? እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነ ይሁን። እኛም ደህና ነን። Kanaafuu egaa barnoota keenya har'aa kun waa'ee maalitii namoota afaan Oromoo dubbachuu barachuu fedhii qaban kan yaada keessa galcheedha. Kanaaf barnoota kana dhaggeeffachuu dhufuu keessaniif baay'ee galatoomaa jecha. Barnoota keenya har'aa kaayyoo isaa gabaabduun itti fayyadama bamaqaa tokko lama hubachiisu. Just this is to inform you how to use the Afaan Oromoo pronouns, the subject case and verb case. የአፋን ኦሮሞን ተውላጠ ስሞች አፋን ኦሮሞ ሲናገር ባለቤትና የተሳይ ቦታ የሚይዙትን አለመለየት የሚያመጣውን ችግር ማሳየት ነው እና ማስረዳት ነው። So to start here it says jalqabuuf akkana jedha. Isaa abbaa kiyyaa, isaa ilma kiyyaa, sii obboleessa kiyyaa, sii koottu, isaadha, isheen miti. So when you look at this one, there are pronouns at the beginning, but these pronouns and this way of saying are not very much accepted to the native speaker of the language of Afaan Oromo. So can you guess? እስኪ እናንተ ገምቱ። ይሄ ትክክለኛ ነው? ትክክለኛ አይደለም? What's your suggestion? Can you evaluate yourself please? እስኪ ራሳችሁን ገምግሙ። ወሪ አፋን ኦሮሞን አፋን ሀርሜ ኬሰኒ አፋን አባ ኬሰኒ ta'e rakkoon qabu. But this lesson is usually focused on the second language learners of Afaan Oromo. For those people who are learning Afaan Oromo as second subject. ስለዚህ እንደ ሁለተኛ ቋንቋን አፋን ኦሮሞ ለምትማሩ የሚረዳ ነው። ምን ይመስላችኋል? ገመገማችሁ? I hope you have gone through. So let's go forward. Isaa abbaa kiyyaa, isaa ilma kiyyaa, sii obboleessa kiyyaa, sii koottu, isaadha, isheen miti. Here are the direct translation of the words. ቀጥተኛ ትርጉሙ ኢሳ አባ ኪያ means him is my father. እሱን አባቴ ነው። ኢሳ ኢልማ ኪያ means him is my son. እሱን ልጄ ነው። ሲ ኦቦሌሳ ኪያ ማለት this means you are my brother, but you is the object case here. አንተን ወንድሜ ነህ። ሲ ኮቱ አንተን ና you come. ኢሳዳ is him. እሱን ነው። isheen miti is not she. እሷን አይደለም. So when we come and look at it, these sentences or these words are what? Written by saying in the confusing way. We don't say him is my father normally. We don't find this kind of writing. እንደዚህ ብሎ እሱን አባቴ ነው፣ እሱን ልጄ ነው፣ እሱን ወንድሜ ነው እምን ተጽፎ አናገኝም ማለት ነው። So this is not the way of saying. So these things may confuse. So let us look at in detail here. For example, says isa nama gaariidha, isa nama hojiiti, isa ijoollee lama qaba, isa kaleessan dhufne, isa nama kabaja. So this is already what it means. him is a good person, him is a person of work, him has 2 children, him was absent yesterday, him respects people. So it is already written in the object form, right? So when people are using this one, እሱን ጥሩ ሰው ነው፣ እሱን የስራ ሰው ነው፣ እሱን ሁለት ልጆች አሉት፣ እሱን ትላንት አልመጣም፣ እሱን ሰውን ያከብራል። So this is not right way of saying, and this may also confuse the reader. So it should be correct. It's easy to correct. That's why I want to tell and correct this minor error which we observe. Kanafu yeroo waa'ee waan tokko haasofnu waa'ee isaa yeroo haasofnu inni kan jedhu jalqabuun sirriidha jechuudha. Inni kan jedhuun jalqabuun sirriidha. So we have to start by he when we talk about him. ስለ እሱ ስናወራ እሱን ብለን ሳይሆን እሱ ብለን መጀመር አለብን። So the right one is what? Inni ilma kiyya, inni abbaa kiyya, inni nama gaariidha. He is a person. He is my son. He is my father. He is a good person. እሱ ጥሩ ሰው ነው። እሱ አባቴ ነው። እሱ ልጄ ነው እንላለን እንጂ we don't say isa ilma kiyya, isa abbaa kiyya, isa nama gaariidha. So that's why we have to correct it in this way. I hope it should be corrected this way. The other observed errors are what? Ani fi si obboleeyyanidha. Si na beekta. Si ijoollee qabda. Si kaleessan dhufne. Si nama kabajja. So here also, if I say it in Amharic, is best one here. Ani fi si obboleeyyanidha. እኔና አንተን ወንድማማች ነን። አንተን እኔ ታውቃለህ። አንተን ልጆች አለ። አንተን ትላንት አልመጣህም። አንተን ትላንት አልመጣም። ሲ ነማ ከበጃ አንተን ሰው ታከብራለህ። So if we talk in Amharic like this, I think people may laugh a lot to us, you know. So when we speak it in Afan Oromo also, በአማርኛም እንደዚህ ብለን ብናወራ ሰው እንደምስቅብን ሁሉ በኦሮምኛም እንደዚህ ስናወራ ያው በጣም የሚያስቅ ንግግር ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። So it should be correct. It's easy anyway. That's why I want to inform my learners, and I hope you can. So what's the right way? ትክክለኛው አባባል እንዴት ነው? What is right way? kan sirrii ta'e maaliree? Akki sirriitti jedhamu isaa akkamiree? Akki sirriitti jedhamu kaa akkuman amma jee kana itti fufee immoo isinitti argisiisa waan ta'eef avoid him and use subject when talking about the person who does the action. So it's easy to learn about pronouns. ስለ ተውላጠ ስሞች መማር በጣም ቀላል ነው። 7 ወይ 8 ነው ያለው። እነሱን ማን ነው መጀመሪያ የሚመጣው፣ ማን ነው ቀጥሎ መሀል ላይ የሚመጣው ብሎ መጠየቅና ኦሬዲ ማየት በጣም ቀላል ነው ማለት ነው። ኢሳ ፊራኪያ ከማለት him is my relative, rather than saying like this we can say inni firakiya, ishem firatiya, okay, kiya, ati firakiya, ishem firakiya, isam firakiya. We can. So lastly, when we correct things, I hope I don't feel my student afraid. ተማሪዎቼ ይፈራሉ ብዬ አላስብም። ቋንቋ የሚማር ሰው አይፈራም። እየተለማመደ እየሰባበረ እንግሊዘኛ እንዴት እንደምንሰባብረው you can see it here, and ሰባብረን ነው እንጂ ቋንቋ ዝም ብሎ አይለመድም። ቆቃካ ከንበሩ ጨጨብስኔ ዱበኔ ኤጋ እጀጀባኔት ማለ akkanumatti teenye wanni barru hin jiru jechuudha. So my friends and colleagues and also my students, learn and speak in Afaan Oromo with your colleagues, please. Don't afraid. Say ani firaketi, I'm your relative. Ati firakiya, you are my relative. Nui firaketi, we are your relative. Isin firakiya, you are my relative. Inni firakiya, he is my relative. Ishen okay, ishim firakiya, she is my relative. So we have to say ani when we talk about ourselves, ati when we talk about the one near to us, nui when we talk about we, isin when we talk about you plural, inni when we talk about he rather than isa, and ishe when we talk about she. This is the way we can make things happen I thank you very much, and so it's free to subscribe gochuun bilisa. Bakka kana yoo tuqxan subscribe go'a. Isin homaa waan gaafatuun qabu iimeelii qabdu yoo iimeelii qabaattan subscribe go'uu dandeessu jechaadha. Galatooma guddaa galatooma barachuun immoo nama jabeessa, nama guddisa, nama beeksisa. Namni wajjin jiru qooqa walii baruu qaba. Baree immoo itti fayyadamaa ta'uu qaba. So in the future, if we prepare medicine or everything, we have to know the language we have in our area also. So I hope ቋንቋውን የተለያዩ ቋንቋ ተምረን እንደ ቀደም አባቶቻችን 10 ቋንቋ 20 ቋንቋ እንኳን የሚናገር ሰው አለ። So we have to have such kind of habit. I thank you very much. Keep it up. አመሰግናለሁ። መማራችሁን ቀጥሎ። መማር ያደርጋል ሊቅ ተብሏል። መጠየቅ ያደርጋል ሊቅ፣ መማር ደግሞ ያስከብራል። So keep it up. Galatooma itti fufa. Barattoonni keenya kan bakka hundaa jirtan gaafadha. You can put what you want to ask under the comment, and I can prepare based on your need also if you want. Thank you very much.